start off by taking two of these metal 4th of July signs, and I'm just going to remove the jute twine off of both of them. I'm going to use the sides that are painted in case I want to use the galvanized side for something in the future. But basically I'm just going to go ahead and use some hot glue and glue these together to make one longer sign. I do recommend an E6000 glue though for a more permanent hold. Taking my apple barrel paint in the color white, I'm just going to paint the whole front of the sign, and I did this by dabbing the paint on. That way a little bit of the metal actually shows through. And this is what it will look like once your sign is fully painted. Next, I'm going to take this Home Sweet Home wall sticker and just apply it to the front. And whenever you apply the sticker, just make sure that you apply it and kind of bend the sticker in with the grooves on the sign. I hope everyone's enjoying my video so far. If you are, please make sure you hit that like button down below because it really helps out my channel a lot and is very much appreciated. Once you have the stickers fully applied, I'm going to take that jute twine that I took off one of the signs, and I'm just going to place that back on to use as the hanger.